Welcome everybody. Today we are going to see how to edit pages using JustEdit. JustEdit is a new WYSIWYG editor in OU Campus that allows you to edit a page without having to leave the preview view. JustEdit also has a new toolbar based off of TinyMCE4 compared to the old WYSIWYG editor, which uses TinyMCE3. So today I'm in the Galena website, so let's go into OU Campus and take a look. First, I'm going to navigate to a page on the site. This library one seems great for me. Then I'm going to scroll down to the direct edit link. On this template, that's going to be the last updated link found in the footer. Clicking that takes me to a login screen. I can enter in my username and password and hit enter to log into OU Campus. Once we're logged in, you can log out by hovering over your username and clicking log out, but we just got here, so we'll stay logged in. We see that there are a couple editable regions on the page. First, this main content region, then some other ones off to the left here. Clicking on the green main content button is going to get us into JustEdit, which is where we can start editing content. So after you enter the editable region, you can see the JustEdit toolbar appearing above. And for our first edits, we're just going to quickly format text. First, I'll highlight some text and bold it, and then click the bold icon in the toolbar. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like Control-I right here to format text. The Insert Edit Link modal has a new look in JustEdit, which we'll see in just a second. First, I'm going to just create some text that will eventually become our link here. De-italicize it, and then I'm going to go up to Insert Edit Link in the toolbar, and clicking that is going to give us the new modal. We're going to browse for the page that we want to link the same way as we would normally in the old WYSIWYG, preview the page right here, and that one looks good. I'll click Insert here. OU Campus templates can create multiple products for the file, so we'll just use the normal one as opposed to the mobile. Next, we're going to add a title for the page, which is what would appear when you hover over the link, so that looks good. I'm going to click OK and insert my link. Next, we're going to add an image into the page, which is also different in JustEdit. First, I'm going to click Insert Edit Image, and that's going to bring up the modal that allows me to browse for a file. As you can see, the breadcrumb shows that we're already in the images folder, which is awesome. I'm going to select an image, preview it. That one looks great. Going to click Insert right now, and that's going to allow me to put my description and tooltip. I like to copy my description, which is used for accessibility, and make it the tooltip, which is what we use for hovering over the image. That's what shows up. You can also adjust the dimensions here before inserting the image, and it's going to automatically resize. You can also change the formatting of the image here within the WYSIWYG. I'm going to center it. And then you can also actually adjust the dimensions by clicking on it and then dragging from the corner right inside the WYSIWYG editor. Now that we've made some changes, we are going to go and save the page. So we can save using the Control-S shortcut right there. And you can also click Save and Exit in the toolbar, which saves and exits you out of the WYSIWYG editor. So I'm going to click that, and that's going to allow us to preview the changes of a page from here. And next, we're going to go up to the Page Actions toolbar and change some page parameters by clicking the Properties icon up in the Page Actions toolbar. The Page Parameters screen, you can edit title and description, which is good for SEO and accessibility standards. And as well, you can update any custom settings for the templates. So I'm going to turn on this quick links section so we'll see another editable region on the page. Clicking Save will put us back into the preview so you can see. And as you can see to the left here, I have this quick links section added to the left. So now we've made our changes into the main editable region and edited some page parameters, so now it's time to publish. You can choose to schedule a publish, submit it for approval, or have the page expire at some predetermined time, but we're going to do a normal publish, so we'll click the green publish button. That's going to bring up the ability to, if we changed our mind, go to the schedule tab and you can add your date and your time, but we don't need to do that. We're going to go to final check. On final check, you have 4 things that you can run: a spell check, a link check to check for broken links, a validation for valid code, and finally accessibility. You can also enter in a version description to tell other users what you've done to the page, and once you click publish, the changes will be pushed from the staging server to the production server, and clicking view in a new window is going to allow us to view the changes that we've made to our live website.